Hi guys, so I'm going to go over Monday, March 23rd's warm-up and workout movements. Just real quick, I want to remind you guys the Zoom class times: 6 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 12 p.m., and 5:30 p.m. And just go to the members group to find the Zoom login information. So our warm-up, we're going to go through 3 times. We're going to start with 10 alternating quadruped hip extensions. So we're going to be in our quadruped position and just kicking up here, okay? So 10 alternating right there. And then we're going to move on to a 30-second forearm plank. So that's our forearm plank. And then we're going to do 10 per side of our side plank rotation. So we'll get in our side plank, we'll reach for the ceiling, we'll reach through and under and back up. So that was 1, 2. And then the last thing, we're going to do 10 Jefferson curls. So if you have, a barbell, broom, whatever you have, if you want to use this in the warm-up, or if you want to just do body weight, that's fine. So our Jefferson curl is just like a very ugly deadlift. We're going to round, starting at our neck and then going down our spine. We're rounding, reaching for our toes, and then we're just reversing the movement on the way back up. So 10 of those, 3 times through. All right guys, so for our workout, we're going to start a running clock and we're going to follow it through the entire workout. So the first thing we're doing is an 8-minute AMRAP with 3 different movements. So our first movement is a 200-meter run. If you can't run, you can bike, row, do 45 seconds of jump rope or lateral line hops. Okay, and then our next movement is 7 up downs. So we're up, down, just go down, up. It's like your burpee with no jump. And the third movement is 14 alternating front rack lunges. So just right here. If you don't have space to do walking lunges, you can do stationary lunges. Okay, and then we will switch arms every 7 reps. So half of those you'll do with your right arm holding the dumbbell or book bag or whatever you have to hold, and then 7 with your left arm doing that. Okay, once your 8 minutes is up, we're going to take a 3-minute rest. Whew. And then at the 11-minute mark, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do another 8-minute AMRAP with those same 3 movements. Once that AMRAP is done with, we're going to move on to 3 rounds, and we'll start this at the 22-minute mark. We're going to move on to 3 rounds of 3 different things. So it's going to be 1-minute hollow hold right here. On your hollow hold, make sure your lower back is touching the ground. If it's too hard to be that extended, condense yourself. Whatever you can do, just make sure that lower back stays on the ground. So 1 minute there, and then 1 minute of Russian twist. Okay, and then we're going to do 30 seconds per leg of a single leg glute bridge hold. So I'll come up and I'll hold for 30 seconds, and then I'll switch legs, hold for 30 seconds. I'll rest 1 minute once I'm done there, and I'll repeat that 3 times through.